morning, children. We will continue this lesson 12 about culture and science in India, the development in our culture and science. In the previous class, I have explained to you about the cultural development in India, how much it was in the olden days, building of especially about literature. We learned about Vedas, Purans, okay, and epics and other literature, plays, poems, okay. Then we had seen about the art and architecture. We can know about how was the art in olden days by seeing the paintings in Ajanta Ellora caves, and architecture by seeing the beautiful temples built by cutting rocks and stones of Mahabalipuram temple, okay, and many other temples made by Chalukyas and temples of Ujjain. Also, we had seen there are stupas, there are Jain temples which also depict the architectural development in India. And we had seen also about sculptures, Murti Kala, how the people or the artisans were well skilled in making the statues by cutting rocks and stones without the help of electric machines and any picture. Okay. Today we have to see in cultural and science development, science and technology in olden days. Okay, so we have on page number 98, science and technology. The science of metrology. Metrology means when we study about metals, iron, silver, gold, okay, was quite refined. That time also the science of metrology was very much developed. How do we know that? Example is the iron pillar which is in Delhi near Qutub Minar is the finest example of developed metrology science. How that iron pillar till today it has not been rusted after hundreds of years, also being exposed to the weather conditions. काफ़ी सालों से many hundreds of years के बाद भी जो आयरन पिलर है वो अभी तक उसमें जंग नहीं लगा है, जबकि वो बारिश धूप सब चीज़ों के में खड़ा रहता है, उसके ऊपर कोई कवर नहीं है. So it shows how developed was the science of metal, okay, and it was built or erected by Chandragupta II. We can call him as Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Also it was in Madhya Pradesh, but later on it was brought to Delhi. The height and width and weight is also given to you. You can see on page number 98. Okay, that shows about the science and technology also was developed at that time. Okay, how we know? Because this such a huge and big pillar was brought from what we say is from Madhya Pradesh to Delhi, and such a big pillar, tall pillar was made. Science means that pillar till today has not been rusted. Next we have astronomical advancement. Okay, Jyotish Vidya. So the scholar, okay, Aryabhatta, who was from the 9 gems of Vikramaditya. Chandragupta Vikramaditya के राज्य में 9 नवरत्न थे. कोई poet, कोई musician, कोई scientist, so many. So from those 9 gems, one of them was Aryabhatta. He was one of the good astrologer, Khagolya Shastri. Okay. So he studied at that time only. He studied about the movement of Earth. Okay, axis of the Earth. Why? You see, ज़माने में 100 सालों, many years, hundreds of years back, also the person knew movement of Earth, axis of Earth. You are learning now, okay, and nobody taught them. That was all they learned by themselves, okay, and also they found out the causes of eclipse. क्यों पूर्ण अमावस्या होता है, all that causes he found out so many years before itself. So how people were intelligent and developed at that time. So how we should be more than them. Okay, that is about astronomical advancement. math only knew the science of stars, movement of earth, axis of earth, why there are eclipses. Next we have mathematical contribution. गणित में इतिहासकारों का क्या योगदान था? So we know very well that Aryabhatta also discovered formula for calculating the circumference of a circle. जो अभी आप पढ़ेंगे 6th में पढ़ा होगा, तो take out the radius, take out the radius of a circle, find out the circumference, एक गोले की गोलाई पता करना ना, that formula which we use today, pi, that is pi also was given by Aryabhatta. He is also considered the pioneer. Pioneer means खोज करने वाला, beginner of decimal system that we use today. So about maths also people learned hundreds of years ago. Okay, so finding of diameter of decimal system, zero, even zero, the concept of zero which is prevalent today. Okay, mathematics, India has been credited to have given concept of zero to the world of mathematics. So India ही है जिसने zero concept जो हम आज यूज करते हैं वो भी भारतीयों की ही देन है, बहुत हजारों 100 सालों पहले. So सोचो, they were not going to school, college, no teacher, they used to learn by themselves. Today everything is available to us and to you on the net, but still we are not curious to find out the new things. And imagine those people in history without much net access, many teachers in schools and colleges, they did so many of great work. So maths contribution is Aryabhatta gave finding out diameter of a circle, decimal system, zero, also by the Indians. Next we have what was the development of medical science. Okay, स्वास्थ्य विभाग में क्या डेवलपमेंट था? So Ayurveda and yoga is, you know, and we also know from many years yoga and Ayurveda is prevalent in India. We can read Atharva Veda. There are 4 Vedas. From that Atharva Veda deals with all medical sciences. Charak Samhita, okay, of Charakas, Sushastra of Samhita. This all tells about different ailments, बीमारियाँ, उनको कैसे डील करना है, योगा, कौन सी दवाएं, औषधियाँ खानी हैं, why it happens. All this deals with olden days history tells about. So yoga and Ayurvedic medical science has been developed from the olden days. Okay, so it tells about why there are क्यों विभिन्न प्रकार के रोग होते हैं, उनके लिए क्या औषधियाँ हैं, क्या योगास हैं, which help us to come out, what we should do, what we should prevent. Okay, so this is about different art and culture. Science was developed, technology was developed. Example is Iron Pillar in Delhi near Qutub Minar. Okay, that Iron Pillar has not rusted till today. That shows the science and technology. It was brought from Madhya Pradesh to Delhi. Astronomical advancement. Okay, at that time only Aryabhatta studied about the movement of earth, axis of earth, why there are eclipses. Mathematical contribution, Aryabhatta also gave decimal system, finding out circumference of a circle, okay, and also zero. The concept of zero is also given by him. The medical science is developed from the olden days by we know yoga and Ayurveda is prevalent or developed by we know from reading Vedas. You have Atharva Veda, Charak Samhita and Sushruta. It deals with the different ailments and how to treat them. So cultural and science development was very good in India at that time only if we compare to today. So when there was no school, colleges, much thing, no internet, people did so many things that were much developed. The people of country were peace loving, they used to live in peace and harmony, they were honest, and they had good rulers also who used to work only for the improvement of their people and development of a better life for those people. fight among different regions, they used to invade each other, there used to be different battles between different small states within the region. This caused a lot of states to lose their prosperity. So आपस में लड़ते रहते थे तो बहुत सारे regions अपनी prosperity को खो चुके थे. Okay? So this is about the chapter culture and science. Hope you have understood about what was the literature development, art development, buildings how they were made, sculptures how they made, how science and culture technology was developed, astrological development, mathematical development, medical development. This is about the culture and science of India in olden days. Okay, so read this chapter and try to understand. If you cannot, now you are having the offline classes available in school 2 days. You come and ask me, I will explain to you. But for that you have to read yourself also. So study well, prepare yourself for exam. Have a good day. Bye children.